Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous hairstyle on my daughter's hair. Her name is Alimat. So now I'm showing you guys what I'm using to moisturize Alimat hair. I'm using my DIY oil, then this dark and lovely hair product. It's really nice for the hair. I love using it. So now I parted the hair into three, then I'm going to start from the back. So I'm using this Afro Kinky hair texture which I got from AliExpress. This hair is really beautiful, soft, and it really looks like someone's natural hair. So I wanted to cut one into two, but when I tried doing that, Alimat hair was longer than the half hair that I cut into two. So I tried to use it like that because I can actually reuse this hair. This hair is really amazing. I make use of 3 pack of this Afro Kinky hair. Inside a pack I have 14 strands of the hair inside a pack. So I'm just showing you now how I achieve this twist without picking from the roots. If you can't braid, this is definitely for you. Just take the person hair you want to use, maybe your daughter hair, your own hair yourself. Just wrap the hair like 3 to 4 times towards the hair. Please do not wrap it so tight so that you won't have headache. If you can see my daughter own, I didn't wrap it really tight. You can actually use a rubber band to hold it from the beginning, but I don't want to stress her cap by using a rubber band to hold it because I'm still going to wrap it. So the wrapping is going to secure the hair. No need. I don't really think this hairstyle needs rubber band so that she won't be having pains on her scalp. You know, she's a kid. If she's feeling any pain, I'll have to lose the hair, and I want to allow her to take this hair to school because she's going to be starting school on Monday. Just wrap it. Can you see I'm wrapping it like 3 times? Then I'm going to be using L gel to the tip so that it won't show any excess hair. My daughter does not really like me using hair on her head. She prefer me using Brazilian wool. After we got to halfway, she was complaining, "Mommy, this hair is touching my neck." I don't know why she does not like me using all this kind of hair to make her hair. She prefer Brazilian wool. So I'll be packing the hair towards the end of the video so you can see. That is why I zoomed the part in very well. I'm still going to show you like 3 to 4 times how I'm going to be wrapping it. If you did not see it now, just zoom it in. That was why I zoom it. You can see I will wrap it now. I'm showing you then 1, 2, then 3. Then I'll section her hair into 2. I'll use this hair gel to rub the tip so that it won't show any excess hair at the body. Then I'll start twisting. If you can twist, as far as you have a natural hair or any protective hairstyle, you know how to twist, you can actually achieve this hairstyle. If you can't braid from the roots, you can use this hairstyle on Brazilian wool, on attachments, on twists. You can actually achieve this hairstyle if you try just to get it. This is a very easy way to make your hair if you can pick hair from the roots. I love this Shine and Jam so much. It's going to make your hair soft and you'll be able to hold all the hair very well. So you can see now, I'll show you again. This is the hair, then I'll wrap it. You can wrap it like 4 times, anyone. Then I'll divide the hair into 2. Use the hair gel to rub the tip. You can actually use any hair gel. It's not a must that the hair gel should hold your hair or anything, just to hide the tip of the hair so it won't show when you finish braiding to the down part. So you can see I'm just twisting the hair. I'm going to be making cornrow to this part, like 4 to 5 cornrow to this part. So if you can't cornrow, you can actually learn cornrow how I'm going to do it from the beginning. Just keep on watching. I'm going to pick a little section out, then I'll divide it into 3 as if you want to braid a hair. Then I'll start cornrolling. Can you see? Then you pick little as you braid to the back. I don't really know how I'm going to explain this. You pick little, just keep picking, then cornrow to the back, keep picking, then cornrow to the back. That was the main reason why I said that Shine and Jam is a very good product, because it won't leave any excess hair. It will make you pick all the hair when you use this Shine and Jam. I really love this product so much. Towards the end, I'm going to do the same thing. You can see I'm going to be wrapping the hair towards the end of the cornrow. Then I'll divide it to 2. Then I'll start cornrolling. Alima is kind of naughty inside this video. She does not want to make her. I don't know why. She wants to keep the last hairstyle I did, and she has already had her hairstyle for like 3 weeks now. She wants to still keep the hair. I don't know what happened to her. She does not want to make a new hairstyle. So she's kind of behaving, and I was trying to convince her that sit down very well, let me make this video now, sit down. This video took longer, this hairstyle took longer than the normal time we use in making our hair. This hairstyle does not take time at all, very easy to achieve, but Alima was kind of using me to play inside this video as we are making this hairstyle. So that was why the main reason why the hairstyle took so long. But on a normal day, if she sits down and behave very well for me to make this hair, it does not really take time. You can see that I changed my clothes inside this video, because when she was kind of showing herself, I let her be. We went to the store to get something. We were playing. So later in the evening, we started making the hair back. So that was why I changed my clothes inside this video. It was still the same day. At last, we finished the hair. So after we finished the hair, I told you she does not like anything touching her body if I use all this expression or all this kind of hair, except if I use Brazilian wool. That is when I can do any length of hair for her. So I'm going to be using this olive oil mousse. After that, I'm going to be spraying it with the olive oil sheen just to add some shine. Then I'll be showing you how the middle look like, the back, for you to see that this hairstyle is a very protective hairstyle for kids, adults. If you can cornrow, you can actually try using this method. So this is the final look. I have to pack it into a very beautiful bun for her. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao, love you. Mwah.